Hey class, Whiskey Mike here. Welcome to week 4 of ATC170, Air Traffic Control Regulations. I would want to point out, I noticed in the previous weeks that not everybody was doing the chat room correctly. So to show you how to do this, to get full credit, you have to make a post and respond to a post. So in most cases, I will have made a post already for you to respond to. You click on it here. This person here answered the question that I asked. They will get half credit for answering this question. Now, if they come back here and they make a post as well, they will get full credit. So to do that, you go create a post. You come in here, you type in your title, your response, or your question, and hit submit, and that's it. So when you do that, that'll give you full credit for this week's chat room response. Now to continue on to, week 4. We have 2 homework assignments here. They're both really easy. This week is about flight plans. This first one is, I want you to find 5 ways that a pilot can file a flight plan. We'll talk about a couple different ways in the slideshow, and I want you to find 5 other ways that you can do it. The second homework assignment is, click on this link here. It'll open up a YouTube video. I want you to watch this video. This talks about flight plans. The homework assignment is, I want you to tell me where that gentleman, which his name is Jason Shepard, where he is filing a flight plan to. Really easy, one little question, that's it. Now for the slideshow, again, if you want to download the slideshow, you click this link here, it'll download it to your computer. If you click this link here, it'll open up, a second link to click, and it'll bring you to a Google Slides. Everybody should have Google Docs with their email from the school. Hit presentation or present. Like I said, this is week 4. Click through the slide. We're going to talk about flight plans. Flight plans is how the pilots communicate to air traffic control who they are, where they want to go, how many people they have on board, what kind of fuel state they have, characteristics of the aircraft such as color, the pilot's name or the squadron or the company chartering the aircraft. All these slides I would like you to go through, read them, especially the yellow portion I'm highlighting here. We're talking about flight plans, IFR, VFR, and DVFR, which is Defense VFR flight plans, and how they're published. A flight plan is put on an FAA form 7233 TAC 1. And the next couple slides goes into what that is. Again, it refers to 7233 TAC 1, gives you some more information about it. This is what a 7233 TAC 1 looks like. In the next 16 or 17 slides, I think it is, tells you what each one of these blocks pertains to. So I'm not going to go through all of this because you can do that on your own. Just escape out of this, back to the lesson. Sorry, there's probably a better way of getting back to the lesson than that, but if anybody's not familiar, here's the syllabus. You have the assignments. This is the tab that I generally use. I'm noticing by taking some of my own classes that other teachers use several different aspects of Blackboard and other programs. I find that very cumbersome. I'm trying to make this as streamlined as possible for you. I know I was taking a psychology class and a sociology class and a project management class, and they all used like third-party applications. They all used different web portals, different websites, different book programs. So I'm trying to make this as streamlined as possible for you. Just make sure you go into the previous weeks, this week and the previous 3 weeks, and make a post, respond to a post. You might not get full credit if you don't follow those instructions. That's for your attendance. Make sure you do the homework in the previous weeks and the quizzes. Um, I was talking to the proctor, and I believe around week 7 we're going to have a midterm, and we're going to turn off the first portion of the semester after week 7. As I'm noticing that some people are falling behind or not doing any of the lessons, we really need you guys to keep up. We want to make sure that you're not wasting your time or your money, and vice versa. So anyway, do our lessons here, and we'll talk soon. Make sure you go back and you do the chat room assignments, and have a good weekend.